Does Zoom charge GST for Australian customers? Now, I should point out that I am not an accountant. I am not giving tax advice here. I'm just pointing you to this page on Zoom's Help Center about how they charge GST for Australian users. And you're going to find a link to this page in the description to this video. Now, if you've got an ABN, an Australian business number, and you tell Zoom about that you are registered for GST, the Zoom page says that when Zoom collects the ABN and your declaration that you're registered for GST, the ATO will usually treat this as B2B, business to business, and therefore not subject to GST. How is Zoom determining which customer GST applies to? If your location of the sold to contract address is in Australia, then they're going to charge you GST unless the customer is registered for GST and provides a valid Australian business number. So how do you enter your ABN? So let me show you where to do that in Zoom right now. So log into your paid Zoom account and go to Account Management and then Billing. Select billing information. Your currency should be Australian dollars. And in this section here, sold to contact, you can click edit, or it may be the same as your billing contact. If you are registered for GST, then enter your ABN, that 11-digit number, here and click Save Changes. Zoom validates my ABN and my billing information will take effect from the next billing cycle. If your current plan is paying Zoom monthly, then that will take effect from the very next invoice. Once again, if you want a link to the Zoom GST page, it's in the description here. And I would recommend that you contact your accountant or tax specialist for more information about GST.